do guys everyone hates me? I just did my masterpiece. But you said you. I did my masterpiece to draw, but what happened to you? I'm just a little. I know I'm just a little YouTuber. I just wanted to have to 1K subscribers and 1K likes. I don't like that comment. Because I don't like that comment. I don't like that comment. Because it always hurt my feelings. They always hurt my feelings. All of my subscribers hate me. I know it's a bad word, but I know. What are their feelings from me? They just wanted to hurt my feelings. Yeah. They wanted to hurt my feelings. They just wanted to make me cry. That's why I wanted to leave YouTube right now. I'm not gonna give you questions. Don't comment to me. Don't say that I'm not gonna leave. I'm gonna say my different close to if I'm gonna leave or not.